Welcome to whynew.in. Let us go through the specifications of Dell Latittude E5440. It is powered by 4th Gen Intel Core i5-4300U. This processor comes with integrated Intel HD Graphics 3000. It also comes with 4GB RAM, which is also upgradable up to 16GB. It has inbuilt 500GB HDD, which can be upgradable and replaceable. It has 14 HD LED backlight display and built-in 720p webcam and microphone. 65Wh external battery supplies power to this laptop, which can run up to 4 hours. This laptop comes with Windows 8.1 operating system, which can upgradable to Windows 10. Comes to connectivity, it has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Dell Latittude E5440 has all essential ports. 2 USB 3.0 port, 1 USB 2.0 port, 1 VGA port, 1 SD card, 1 RJ45 port, 1 3.5mm headphone jack. Overall, this laptop is compact, lightweight, durable, and a good performer for office professionals and students. Why choose whynew.in? For good-looking laptops. For quality-tested laptops. For personalized support. For warranty upgradation option. Kindly contact to buy this laptop at whynew.in. Whynew, buy like new.